Today, we're diving into the AeroGarden Assorted Italian Herb Seed Pod Kit, your gateway to cultivating fresh herbs right in your own home. This kit comes with everything you need. 6 pre-seeded pods featuring Genovese basil, Italian parsley, oregano, savory, thyme, and mint. The seeds are non-GMO, grown without herbicides or pesticides, ensuring you get the purest flavors. What makes this kit stand out is its simplicity. It's designed for anyone, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. The kit includes a 3-ounce bottle of liquid nutrients, essential for robust plant growth, as well as grow domes that aid in optimal germination. The growing guide provides clear, step-by-step instructions, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. One of the best features is the 100% germination guarantee. If any seed pod fails to sprout, AeroGarden will replace it for free, ensuring your success. This makes it a risk-free investment for herb enthusiasts looking to always have fresh ingredients on hand. With year-round blooming potential, you can enjoy a steady supply of herbs for your culinary adventures. Whether you're adding fresh basil to your pasta, garnishing dishes with parsley, or brewing mint tea, having these herbs at arm's reach elevates your cooking to a new level. Compatible with all AeroGarden models, this kit is perfect for indoor use, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen or living space. Its compact design and efficient growth system make it ideal for urban dwellers or anyone lacking outdoor garden space. In conclusion, the AeroGarden Assorted Italian Herb Seed Pod Kit is a game-changer for herb lovers. It combines ease of use with high-quality, organic herbs, ensuring you have a mini garden that thrives year-round. Whether you're a chef, a health enthusiast, or simply love gardening, this kit promises fresh flavors and greenery at your fingertips.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.